Learning French family members. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn about family members in French. Knowing these terms will help you talk about your family and understand family-related conversations in French. Let's start with mère, which means mother. It's pronounced mère, similar to the English word mar. A mother is often the heart of the family. Next is père, meaning father, pronounced père, like in English père. Fathers often play a key role in guiding the family. Frère stands for brother. Say it as frère, rhyming with fair. Brothers can be great companions and friends. Sister in French is sœur. It's pronounced sœur, like sœur with a softer R. Sisters often share a special bond in the family. Grand-père means grandfather, pronounced grand-père. Grandfathers are often seen as wise and experienced. Grandmother is grand-mère, pronounced grand-mère. Grandmothers are known for their warmth and kindness. Wuncle, meaning uncle, is pronounced on-l. Uncles can add a fun and adventurous element to the family. Aunt in French is tante, said as tante. Aunts often provide support and care within the family. Cousin for a male cousin and cousine for a female cousin are pronounced cousin and cousine respectively. Cousins are like friends within the family. And finally, enfants means children, pronounced enfant. They are the joy and future of any family. That's our exploration of family members in French. Remember, families are universal, but learning to speak about them in another language can deepen your connections. Keep practicing and sharing.